Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see someone's calendar in Outlook. Open your Outlook app. There, in the email you received, click Accept and see the calendar. You will see the Outlook calendar open in a browser. Click on Other Calendars and then check the box for the name of the user who sent you the calendar to view it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.